this game, man, it's so fun. I've been playing, okay? I have nothing to do, okay? My favorite is the lightning slap. So I'm gonna be anti-trolling. So if you're gonna just that button, you're dead. What I was doing, but I don't care. So yeah, you can clone it, but the move first one is only 3. That's plus 3, and I get plus 6 from that thing. So that's all this. Get out of here. Just get out. You're not that strong. Yeah, okay, jump out, don't care, just go. There's another plus 6 up there, and these laps things, I don't know, I don't know. I think this pin underscore pin 9. I think he's also a anti anti-trollers. Yeah, I'm lagging, yeah. Yeah. NP means no problem. Oh yeah. He also plays hours. I played this game. Like I played this game. What the hell is M doing? I don't care. And he just pulled down. It's really that. Oh my god, what the hell is happening now? No, get out. No. Now you ain't gonna escape. Now get out of here. If you dare press that button. N-word. We'll just go. We'll just go, please. I just have to lose first. Why is it not? Ooh. Like and subscribe if you want more Dead Wheels. Whee! 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 Also, that obby is literally impossible. Just don't try that. I'm not gonna say the name, or I'm just gonna get, I don't know, but I will. Copyright. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Oops. Oh, yeah. I suck at this. Oh, hell no. Oh. Oh. Well, I gotta get up here. So I get this. I already get it. Okay? But sometimes I always die here. I always get damaged, but not anymore. We're locked in here. Woohoo! Prick. Ah! Restart. start. Probably there's more trolls, but I don't care. I'm just gonna slap them to heaven. Let's not copyright YouTube. What the hell? What? What the hell? Huh? I gotta use this, okay? What? There, there, jump. I just got lucky here. Oh, never mind. It was here. I still have skill issue. We joined the army. We joined the army. I don't know what's the maximum, but I don't care. Bye bye. Oh wow, wow. That was so. It's just a revenge. Go here, bro. Go here, bro. Probably. Maybe. Yes, maybe. Also, I have a shortcut. You probably see everything there. So I'm just gonna go. Ouch. 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 Ah! Here. Oh. There. I get a jump boost. See? And jump there. Jump here. Jump. Woohoo! Nice. And I'll probably need. And yeah, there's also a throw button. I'm just gonna jump on the car. Also, it's actually unlimited. Just forever. Save the time. These things, these spoils. There. Jump. 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 So yeah, this is the lightning one, the slap, normal slap, and the ice slap. Yeah, I'm not gonna. This one, like this. That is probably trolled. So, and I'm gonna show you the pain. Ouch. That was pain. You also play Bully Guard. For this, I but sometimes I actually fail like that one. So I'm not gonna show you. It's pain, man. Pain. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. You gotta play it. I think this goes. No. No, you're not. That's what I thought, nerd. And get. I'm just gonna get banned in YouTube. Sorry, YouTube. Mooney become YouTube. Well, that was strange. Do not press that. It's just gonna press it. Go, go, go before I slap you. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Trick you. I'm gonna. That's not a bad word, is it? Please not, please. Trying to be family friendly. I'm not. I'm not pretty much. I just wanna slap this guy. Oh, that was easy. But you want to slap that guy again? What you want, man? What you looking at? I'm gonna. That was so close. Go, go. Oh, go. Pass. Pass. Go. Yeah. Some people think yeah, that's close. Some people think I'm trolling, but I'm trolling not. Nah, 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 don't slap me. Nah, nah, nah. Come here. No, what the hell? Oh, what you press? Go, go, man, go. That's a lot of clones. You for super jump. Bro, just go. Go! Bro, go. 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 Get into one. No, 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 no. Get out of loser. Go. Go. Go, man. It was for me. Sorry, it was for me. No, 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 it's him again. Yeah, that's it. It was for views. I probably actually I kinda like it. I want it slapped. Oh well. Chikichi! Yours? Bros like jump on it. Wee! 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 Oh hell no! Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. I'm logging. It's so logging. Ding, ding, ding. No one's trolling, bro. Oh well. Go. Don't you and you guys shouldn't press that button. You're gonna get this thing. My favorite one is the lightning. Ching ching. What? 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 Huh? Okay, I'm just gonna purposely think it, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of Oh! Oh! Sorry. Wrong target. Wrong target. Yes, a wrong target. Oh wow! That was the worst thing to see. Don't you dare slap me. Or I'll slap you too. No, 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 no. No, I'm gonna slap you too. No one press this button. Poor guy. Trying to wall hug. I'm gonna try to wall. Probably won't be the best thing you see, but it's my best. That is the one. Damn! 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 No, you're not worse! I'm worse! I'm worse than him! I'm worse than him! I'm gonna tell you. What the hell? Ma. Bro, for me. For me. Bro, that guy is even better. Bro, why? Why are my numbers at wall hop? Coconut nut is a big nut. It's too much. Then you will get fat. If you eat too much, you will get that. So coconut nut is a big nut. If you eat too much, very fat now. Coconut nut is a big nut. Just try to slap him though. Gonna get some clothes. And you probably won't know how much it is. That's 18. Nice. I'm just gonna cover up that. Oh hell no, he just pressed it. He pressed it. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. I'm gonna make a tornado. Oh, it's a tornado. Whee! What the hell? Why am I? Go. Let's go. Oi! Hey! Get me some revenge, man. Get justice. I need justice. Justice. Someone, yeah, he gave me justice. Thanks, man. Thanks for giving me justice. No one's gonna press this button. No! Freak him! Gonna kill him. Dun. Where the hell is that guy? Oh, just. out of here! Nah! Bro! Bro! Where? 1v all, man! Someone get me some justice! I'm gonna slap their soul out of them. I'm gonna slap the soul out of you. Come here, King Jaden. Frick you. Oh, King B. Yeah. They troll. Someone slap me off. We need back. We need backup, man. Oh wow! Jeez, man! Fool! Rahiyai bim 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 bim. Don't know what's your name, but just nah. King. No one knows. No one knows. No one knows. No one trolled it. Bruh. That's him. That's him. I need backup. I need backup now. We're gonna do a riot. It's King Aiden. It's King Aiden. Yeah. But this game is big. It doesn't. What? What? Grammar. Wrong grammar. Nah. That's him. That's him. Let me kill him. Let me kill him first. I'm gonna kill him first. Let me kill him first. Please. Nah, they already killed him. I wanted to do that first. I only ate them. Did he just say 8? He ate them? Bro, what the hell? Bro, I don't know what the hell are they saying, man. It's getting scary. It's getting scary. Bro, what the hell? We're here! We're here! Get out of here. Only bacon. I'm gonna check the name. Oh, wait. Oh. Well, bye-bye.